Well, since we've installed the clip system on that, we've really been running well, because you always get that dying minute on 99 crunch time when your assemblers are running around, scurrying around for clips. And at the moment, it's perfect. It's on demand. I have them lying in my cabinet. I've used them, my guys use them, and I've never had any issues. They fit according to OEM parts, no worries at all. Yeah, as I order, I get my invoice. It's all online. I've never had any kickback from any insurers regarding invoices. Toyota, they normally give you about a $20 to cover clips, but I still produce the invoices, and they just cut it back according to the invoices because of the good pricing. Yes, it works perfect, so that make sure we never run out. Replenishing always keeps us going and motivated, and just keep moving on production line.